Nature has always been our greatest teacher, but today we combine that wisdom with the power of technology. It is a synergy that transforms how we live, learn, and grow.
Technology gives us instant access to the world's knowledge. Whether it's scientific breakthroughs or traditional wisdom, we can access facts in seconds. This fuels the spirit of lifelong learning, allowing us to evolve every single day.
We use technology to decode nature's patterns. By analyzing data, we can predict risks and prepare for challenges before they escalate. It's about building safety nets through science, keeping our communities secure.
Ultimately, these innovations serve one purpose: to elevate our quality of life. From efficient infrastructure to accessible information, we are creating a world where time is optimized and lives are improved.
Technology is not here to replace nature, but to protect it and enhance the human experience. Keep learning, stay curious, and embrace the future.
Modern technology is rapidly transforming how we live and elevating our daily quality of life.
With advancements in artificial intelligence and data analysis, we can now predict risks and prepare for hazards with greater accuracy.
Technology provides instant access to global information, making lifelong learning more accessible than ever before.
By improving operational efficiency, these innovations ensure that we can achieve more while optimizing our valuable time.
Ultimately, technology acts as a bridge, harmoniously integrating human needs with nature to lead us toward a brighter, more sustainable future.